Welcome back to another Evil Lair Projects and Builds. In this one we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make a Masonic ring. Actually, we're going to make a few of them. I had some leftover silver, some leftover jeweler's wax that I've recycled, and we're going to go ahead and make the ring. In the middle we'll use the square and compass. That's what these two things are when they meet. We'll even use these tools to help make it too. That will be about 6.5 centimeters around, and then our ring shank, or the side of the ring, we'll kind of do it like a graduating slope from 4 down to 2.5 centimeters, coming all the way around. All right. So first thing we got to do is we got to carve out this jeweler's wax. We got to do a few of them, and we're going to get that done. And we're going to make this out of silver. I like silver. Silver's good. All right, let's go.
To the finish line, seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down this dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones to let go. I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. Night says, making noise, all I hear him say.
Alright, so we got our little ring tree. They're all made of jeweler's wax. They're a little rough. I can clean a lot of it up once the metal is poured into it. I didn't want to get too thin on the wax, or more things like this would happen where it broke. Something that kind of happened that probably didn't come up in the video because I realized it wasn't recording is the little emblem on the inside, right? I did not freehand carve that by no means. I have a little stencil and I made some little marks with an X-Acto knife, and then I used a rotary tool and an X-Acto knife to kind of clean it out and give it some depth. So they're all slightly unique in their own way, but for the most part the stencil really did work. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, so we got a horrible looking tree, and a jeweler out there is going to be like, they're not all going to make it. And you'd be right. Really, I'm just trying to make one. I'm giving myself 4 good chances there at different positions. So when I pour silver in, it will work. So let's get these encased in some investment. Investment's it's a powder. I don't want to call it. It's like plaster of Paris or Paris of plaster, whatever that stuff's called, because you don't really want to use that stuff. It's a powder form that's used water for, but it gets a lot harder and it can withstand heats better because we really got to get these temperatures up to melt the wax out, so then we can heat up some silver and pour it in there. And that's going to be this next part. Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Ha 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 ha. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low. Go, go. I got about 100 reasons to leave the party, but I will not. Got a lot of meaning to get to you when I'm in a spot. Thought about what's the season, oh yeah, summer feeling so hot. I could burn in my slumber, turn the lights off and let the beat drop. I'm the meanest rapper, meaning I feed on rappers a lot. I'm obscene, I need not encouragement, this the courage I got. Got a buzz going, so people heard of me, then I pop. Kinda was going, how you gonna tell me I gotta stop? Start another trend, and if you wanna get in on the ground floor, then what you holding up the wall standing around for? Call up my people and I know what they down for. We can stay up all night long, land home around 4. I'm on the land from my daytime lifestyle. We be going ham like cheese and a slice style. There's something about the nighttime like to feel nice out. So if you're still at home, I'm right outside the door like knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Yeah. First name, put your last hands in the air. Yeah, yeah. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? First name, put your hands in the air. Yeah. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low. Go, go, go. I'm independent, I write them into my pen. If you want to party tonight, put them in the air like a pennant. I blow with the breeze, flow with the ease and eat all my spinach. I'm cold, I'm low in degrees, I can freeze a fiend in a minute. Demeaning rappers to me is too easy, need a new image. So many biters around, I should quit and become a dentist. Anyways, if you're feeling tight from your 9 to 5 and wanna cut loose and take a kind of ride, I'll be happy to accommodate, come on inside and put your hands where I can see them, that's my kind of vibe. I want a crib with a pool, a garden and promenade. I'd rather work more instead of trying to economize. I want a car with no roof on, my kind of ride. So even when I'm on the highway and I'm trying to drive, and this song come on the radio, it's kinda live. Everybody in the whip got room to hold them high. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low, only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky. Never let them low. Go, go.
All right, that is it. Let's see how it looks at the end of the day. I think my mold came out pretty good. Got a little square compass, a little G in the middle. That's pretty cool. And it fits. Let's see if it fits. Boom. Right there with my other little band. Size 10. Alright, so like I said before, I have plenty of rings. We're going to give this to somebody and see if they enjoy it as they come up through the ranks there in masonry. Thank you for coming by. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you saw something in here and you're like, hey, I know a better way, let me know. Definitely comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. That's what keeps us going here. Alright guys, I got nothing else. I'm going to get out of here. Bye.